Hey guys, Gerson here with the Shalom G Construction. One more video. This one I want to show you guys. It's pretty interesting. We did we removed an old style fireplace, and we are doing a more modern style, and it's a very nice fireplace. Okay. So this is the older one, the old style, and we framed. You see on the ceiling, it was narrower, much smaller, and we framed it on both sides, as you can see, obviously. And then the guys from the fireplace came and installed it. So there's a grid up above, a vent, and that's the finish over there. And they're gonna come later and install it, do all the finish. And also, this works for TV because the warmth of the fireplace comes above, not below. And so there's gonna be a huge TV here, 72 inches wide. This is an outlet. This is where all the HDMI and internet will come. So there's a tubing on the back. This is the coax cable, the regular. There's a switch there, and it has to be all metal studs, in the middle. Over here, there's gonna be a little cubby here, like a little niche, and it's gonna work as a bookshelf. And there's the internet coming in from downstairs, and one more outlet. Okay, and this is the exhaust for the fireplace. That's the gas outlet, and there's a little bit of a shelf up above here. Okay, and that's it. So I will make another video when we are done. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to leave a like, and we'll see you next video.